We discuss a few more questions related to exercise 5.3. In that, this is the first question. If the nth term of an AP is 2n plus 1, then the sum of its first three terms is dash. Nth term is given. What is the formula of nth term? an, right? An equal to 2n plus 1 is given. By using that, we find first three terms like a1, a2, a3. N equal to 1, we get a1. N equal to 2, we get a2. N equal to 3, we get a3. And by adding all those three terms, we get the required value. Clear? So, how to write this? So, first we write nth term. That is given that an equal to 2n plus 1. N equal to 1. Then a1 equal to 2 into 1 plus 1. So, 2 plus 1, that equal to 3. If n equal to 2, a2 equal to 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. If n equal to 3, a3 that is 2 into 3 plus 1. So 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Therefore, the sum of first three terms equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3. That is 3 plus 5 plus 7. So 8 plus 7 equal to 15. This is the answer. Okay, now question number 2. An AP consists of 31 terms. If its 16th term is m, then sum of all the terms of this AP is dash. So 4 options are given. 16th term is given. That is small m. How many terms are there? Total number of terms are 31. So just we find sum of all those 31 terms. That is S31. But how to find S31? For that there is one general formula. Sum of first n terms or sum to first n terms. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2n plus n minus 1 into t. In that we have to substitute n equal to 31. After that, again we need to substitute a value and d value. That a and d will get from 16th term, but will not get a value and d value separately. Combinational value will get it. Got it my point? So first we write standard formula. What is that? The sum to or sum of first n terms of an AP is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And we want sum of first 31 terms. So n equal to 31. That is S31 equal to 31 by 2. Then here 2a. 31 minus 1 is 30. Then 30 into d. This is equation number 1. Now take the given data. What is that? Given that a16 equal to m. So a16 can be written as a plus 15d. That is equal to m. And from equation number 1, S31 equal to 31 by 2. Suppose if 2 is common, then what is the remaining? A plus 15d. Now both are gets cancelled. That equal to 31. A plus 15d is equal to how much? M. Just write here m. Okay. If you want, just write here equation number 2 and write here from equation number 2. So answer is 31m. 31m means third option. Clear? Okay. Now this is third question. If the first term of an AP is 2 and the common difference is 4, then the sum of its first 40 terms means S40. Correct? Now just write the given data. What is that? Given that first term, right? So it is denoted by a. It is 2. Next common difference is given. So what is the value of common difference? Like d. That is equal to 4. Now sum of first n terms, right? What is the formula? Sn equal to, okay, I am writing here Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But what they asked in that question? Sum of first 40 terms. So means n equal to 40. Then we get S40. It is 40 divided by 2. 2a plus 40 minus 1. N equal to 40. 40 minus 1 is 39 into d. So 40 by 2 is 20. 2 into what is a? A equal to 2 na? And 39 into d value is 4. So it is 20. 2 2 ja 4 plus. So 4 9 ja 36. Correct? 4 3 ja 12. 12 plus 3 15. Right? So it is 20 into 156 plus 4 is 160. So 16 into 2 is 32, then 00. That is the answer. S40 equal to 3200. Okay, now this is fourth question. Seventh term of an AP is 40. The sum of its first 13 terms is dash. Then first we write A7 value. Na? What is the value of A7? That is 40. A7 can be written as A plus 6D equal to 40. And what they ask in this? Sum of first 13 terms. So first we write Sn formula. Na? So what is the formula of Sn? We know that. Directly I am writing this Sn. I am not writing like the sum of first n terms is Sn equal to, not like that. Directly I am writing Sn value. What is that? N by 2. So 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? So in this, just substitute n equal to 13. S13 equal to 13 by 2. And it is 2a plus 13 minus 1 is 12. 12d. So here, this is equation number 1. Now again 13 by 2. If 2 is common, what is the remaining? A plus 6 into d. Now both are gets cancelled, right? So 13 into a plus 60 is 40. Just write here 40. In brackets is equation number 1. So how much it is? 4 3 ja 12. 4 1 ja 4. 4 plus 1 5. Then answer is 520. Okay, now question number 5. Find the sum of first 22 terms of the AP 8, 3, minus 2, and so on. First 22 terms means S22. Na? First write the given data means given AP. Then after that we write A value, D value. Then we find S22. Clear? So how to write it? What is the given data here? Given AP, right? So 8, 3, minus 2, and etc. Now here A equal to first term 8. What is D? Second term minus first term is 3 minus 8 equal to minus 5. Correct? Now what is the formula of Sn? Again I am writing like this only. We know that Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now n equal to 22. Na? If n equal to 22, then we get S22 equal to, it is 22 by 2, right? And 2a, 22 minus 1, 21 into d. So 22 by 2 is 11. 2 into a value. So a equal to 8 plus 21 into d. What is d? That is minus 5. Na? So just write here in bracket. Clear? Now 11 into 2 into 8, 16. Plus into minus minus. How much it is? 5 into 20, 100. 5 into 1. 5. So 105. So write here 105. Okay. Now this is the value. 11 into 16 minus 105. Now 105 minus 16. Then here it is how much? This one 15. 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. Here it is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Then just write here 11 into minus 89. Now what is the value of 89 into 11? 11 9 is 99. it is 88. 88 plus 2, 90 plus 7, 97. So plus into minus, minus 979 is the answer. Okay, see this question number 6. If the sum of first m terms of an AP is 2m square plus 3m, then what is its second term? We know that sum of first n terms is Sn equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But here sum of first m terms means Sm, but that value is given, right? So first we write that value. So just write here given that Sm equal to 2m square plus 3m. If m equal to 1, then S1, that is 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1. So 2 into 1 square means 2, then 3 into 1 is 3. 2 plus 3, that equal to 5. So it is nothing but A1. So A1 equal to 5. If m equal to 2, then how to write that value? S2, na? S2 equal to, so 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2. So that is 2 into 2 square means 4, 4 into 2 is 8. 3 into 2, 6, 8 plus 6 equal to 14. What is the meaning of S2? Sum of first two terms, right? So sum of first two terms means A1 plus A2 equal to 14. Now what is the value of A1? That is equal to 5. Substitute here. Then how to write this value? 5 plus A2 equal to 14. Therefore A2 equal to 14 minus 5 equal to 9. So second term is equal to 9. That is the answer. Now this is 7th question. In an AP, if A equal to 3, N equal to 8, Sn equal to 192, then find D. D is nothing but common difference. Right? So first we write the given data. Given that A equal to 3, N equal to 8, Sn equal to 192. Again write Sn value. Sn equal to 192. What is the formula of Sn? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So it is equal to 192. And that implies n means 8. 8 by 2. So it is 2 into 3. Again n minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7 into d equal to 192. Now here it is 4 times cancelled. In next step write 4 that side. So here we get 6 plus 7d equal to 192 divided by 4. Right? So 4 1 ja, 4 4 ja 69. 32 means 8 times, then we get 48. After that write 7d, that is 48. If you write plus 6 that side, we get minus 6, right? Then 42. Now what is the value of d? 42 divided by 7 equal to 6. This is the answer. That is the required common ratio. So question number 8. Find the sum of first 8 multiples of 3. How to write 8? First 8 multiples of 3. So the multiples of 3 na are 3, 6, then 9, 12, 15, 18 and etc. So these are the multiples of 3. Okay. Now A equal to first term 3. D equal to common difference second term minus first term, that is again equal to 3 only. Clear? And we want the first 8 multiples means what is the value of n? N equal to 8. Now this is the formula, Sn formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If you want just write here, we know that. Okay. If n equal to 8, how to write this? S8 equal to 8 by 2, 2a plus 8 minus 1 means 7d. So it is 4. Then 2 into a, what is a? 3. Plus 7 into d, what is d? That is also 3. Then 4 into 6 plus 21. So 21 plus 6 is 27. Then 4 into 27. Then 4 into 20, 80. 4 into 7, 28. Correct? Then 80 plus 28 is equal to 108. That is the answer. Yes, 8 equal to 108. Okay, now question number 9. How many terms are there? Is an AP whose first term and sixth terms are minus 12 and 8 respectively, and the sum of all its terms is 120. What is the meaning of this? Just we find the n value, right? So for that, what is the given data? First term is given, sixth term is given, and sum is given. Yes, n. By using Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d formula, we get n value, that is the required value of the given question. Clear? Now first write the given data. What is that? Given that first term is given, that is either a or a1 minus 12. Sixth term is given, that is a6. What is the value of a6? That is 8. And sum is given, Sn equal to 120. Now again I am taking this sixth term. It is 8 na? So that can be written as a plus 5d equal to 8. But what is the value of a? A equal to minus 12. So minus 12 plus 5d equal to 8. If you write minus 12 that side, we get plus 12. So 5d equal to 8 plus 12 equal to how much? 20. So what is the value of d? 20 divided by 5, that equal to 4. Right? So therefore d equal to 4. Now take that Sn equal to 120. So what is the formula of Sn? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and it is equal to 120, right? Now n by 2, so 2 into, what is a? A value is minus 12, just write minus 12 in bracket, okay? Plus n minus 1 into d value, that is 4, and this whole value is equal to 120. Next step, write this 2, denominator to that side, okay? Then how to write it? N into, it is minus 24. N into 4 is 4n. 1 into 4, 4 minus, then minus 4 equal to 120 into 2. Got it? After that, how to write it? N into, so what is the bracket value? Positive value is 4n. Minus 24 minus 4, minus 28. Right? And that side it is 240. So n into 4n square, so minus 28n. So if you write 240 this side, we get minus 240 equal to 0. And in this 4 is common. If 4 is common, what is the remaining value? N square, 7n minus how much it is? 4 6 24 means 60. So n square minus 7n minus 60 equal to 0. So that is the quadratic equation. By solving that quadratic equation, then we get the value of n. But how to solve that? What are the factors for that? How to find? 1 into minus 60 is minus 60. So just write here minus 60. So how to write this? Minus 60. How to split that? 1 into 60 or 1 into minus 60, it is not possible. 2 into 30 is also not possible. 3 into 20, 3 into 20 is not possible. 4 into 15, that is also not possible. 5 into 12, 5 into 12, right? 5 into 12, how can we take minus 12 into 5? Minus 60, minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7. Got it? Then n square minus 12n plus 5n minus 60 equal to 0. So here it is minus 12 into 5. Then n is common, n minus 12. 5 is common, again n minus 12 equal to 0. Then this can be written as n plus 5 into n minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore n equal to minus 5 comma 12, but we are neglecting minus value, right? Why? Because here we want quantity, number is always positive, na? So because of that reason n equal to 12. So that is the required value of the given question.